Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Shopify words crossing the table columns. So, if the text in your Shopify store is crossing table columns, it's likely due to improper formatting, CSS styling issues, or overly long text without word wrapping. Here's how you can fix this problem step by step. So first step is enabling word wrapping in CSS. Navigate to online store, navigate to themes, then navigate to three-dotted icon here and click on edit code. Now, in the theme editor, find the file where your table styles are defined. Common files include theme.css, styles.css, and base.css. You can search all of them just right here. So you can search for theme.css, styles.css, and base.css. Then find the file where your table styles are defined and add a CSS to ensure that the proper word wrapping are done. So you can search for the CSS code to fix this problem on Google. Or if you don't know this, just drop a comment and I will reply you with that code just on this video. Now, you can save the file and preview your store to check if the issue is resolved. Now, step 2 is adjusting column widths. So if the table is too narrow, you can adjust the column widths to avoid text overlapping. You can locate the table in the theme editor or through custom code and add a style to control column widths. Now, you can save your changes and test the table layout. Now, you can use scrollable tables for small screens, so long words may overlap in mobile views. You can use this CSS to make table scrollable on smaller screens. Wrap your table in div with the class table-container.